We hope we pray for better days.
Hey guys, once again welcome back to my another new video. In this video I will show you how to make neem pesticide from a neem leaf itself. Recently I have gotten attacked by some harmful pest due to improper care. So I came up with an idea, that is making an pesticide with neem. I am using neem leaves because of its benefits. It can be used as a pesticide also. It can cure any type of bugs, anything. So let's get started. So for making a neem pesticide, you need neem leaves and water. More neem leaves, more the efficient will be the pesticide. Neem water has lots of benefits. It is antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal, which helps the plants to get rid of any harmful pests. It could also be used for humans as well. So when you are choosing a leaves, you should choose a fresh leaves with a bug free. First, you just need to take only the leaf, not the twig. Now, you need to boil the water in low flame. You should boil the water at least 45 minutes to 60 minutes for better results. More you boil the water, more you get the pet. Here what you get the result. The water you see is the main pesticide. You just need to separate the water and the leaves. After the separation of leaves and water, you should add some normal water to the neem water, because the neem water is so powerful that it can damage your plant parts. So you should reduce the power of the water. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and leave a comment below. and I'll make more videos like this. Thank you.
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, baby? Must